Hi, welcome to this PL/SQL tutorial. The topic is variable. In PL/SQL, a variable is a temporary named storage location that supports a particular data type in a program. And before using a variable, we must declare it first in the declaration section of a PL/SQL block. This is the syntax of declaring a variable. First, specify the variable name, then the data type of the variable. If you don't want the variable to be nullable, then you need to write the optional not null command. After that, if you want to provide an initial value to the variable, you need to assign the initial value to the variable using colon equal sign. Colon equal is the assignment operator in PL/SQL. You can also use default keyword instead of colon equal. You can see in the example that for vdata1 and vdata2, colon equal sign is used for assignment, and for vdatasum, default keyword is used. Let's check the variable example practically. My purpose here to get the summation result of two values. Here I have tried to declare three variables: vdata1, vdata2, and vdatasum. Here you can see all of the variables are declared with number data type and also not null. You can see the initial value of vdata1 is 5, the initial value for vdata2 is 7, and for the sum it is 0. You can see in the execution section inside the begin end block that I have tried to store the summation of vdata1 and vdata2 inside the vdatasum variable. After storing the summation inside the vdatasum variable, I have tried to print that particular variable on the screen using the dbms output.put line. We also need to use the set server output on command. Okay, so let's run it. You can see the result here, 12. That's it for the tutorial. If you learned something new, then like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.